In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a LeadPages form on another website quickly and easily. If you're looking to grow your email list or drive conversions, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process in under 5 minutes. Plus, stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing some of the best alternatives to LeadPages that you might find more suitable for your needs. So, let's dive in. The first thing you'll need is to create your form inside LeadPages. If you haven't done this yet, head over to your LeadPages account and create a new landing page or opt-in form. Once your form is designed and ready to go, you're halfway there. Next, let's get the embed code. Go to your form settings and select the Publish option. You'll be given a few different options for embedding, but for this, you want to choose the HTML embed option. This will generate the code you'll need to place on your website. Now, head over to the website where you want to embed the form. Whether you're using WordPress, Wix, or any other platform, you'll need to access the area where you can add custom HTML. For WordPress, for example, you can do this by creating a new post or page, and then using the HTML block in the block editor. Paste your embed code here. Next thing you need to check is whether the form is responsive. You want to make sure it looks good on both desktop and mobile views. In some cases, you may need to adjust the width or height parameters in the embed code to get it just right for your layout. Don't forget to check your website once the form is embedded to make sure everything looks as expected. The fourth thing to keep in mind is testing. This step is crucial. Once your form is embedded, you should always test it to ensure it's working properly. Submit a test entry to see if the data is being sent to your LeadPages account and that any automated emails or follow-ups are triggered. Lastly, let's talk about alternatives. While LeadPages does offer a straightforward form builder, it may not always be the best option for everyone. If you're looking for more robust features or better customization options, there are competitors like Thrive Architect and Opt-in Monster that could serve you well. These alternatives offer more flexibility, especially when it comes to creating highly optimized forms with better A/B testing capabilities. Before you go, I have a special offer for you. If you click the link below, you can get an exclusive extended free trial of LeadPages. But that's not all. I've also included some amazing alternatives that I mentioned earlier, which also offer free trials. Through our link, you'll get the best deal and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description for all the details.